Okay, so if you'd like to click on where it says Google Drive for me, you will hopefully get a beginning of a story. I did say I was in stage 2. And I would like you to add your own paragraph. So some of you might want to scroll down and add a little bit to it. Because if you all try and complete it where I've just finished, you will get in a bit of a mess. But if you scroll down, do lots of spaces, and then start your sentence or two, and I'll be grading this, and you'll have timely feedback before the end of the session.
What are you doing with the novel?
I shall log on. Use the browser.
No, I don't think that's. Oh, can we see the address?
Really big one.
Oh, that really big one there. That's completely awesome. Yeah.
Okay, so if I can ask you to stop writing, exam is finished, pen's down, computer down, what the equivalent is. I'm just bringing up on the board what you've been writing, and hopefully it's clean. You never can tell, always checking before you're free school, of course. Okay, so there we go. So we've got lots of different interesting things. Who hasn't put the capital letter? Spag test these days, please. So, it's a wonderful tool to collaborate. Now, I wouldn't use this with a group this big. This is just to show you what it can do. I would limit this to maybe 4 computers maximum because it does shift up and down, it does all sorts of strange things. But because this can be accessed anywhere without signing in, just needing to know the link was at the top here. So if I show you the link, the huge great big one at the top of the screen here, this one here, I've made a shortcut to that which was on the wiki page that you came onto in the first place. And anybody can get onto this just by clicking on it. Obviously, it's very unlikely that if it has got confidential information on it, people are going to stumble across something that big, and that's why it's designed to be such a hidden address. But it's a wonderful tool to use. And there's an Excel version where if you fill in the information, you can do things like postcodes, and it instantly pops up on a map next door. You can make graphs, you can make all sorts of things in it, and it's fantastic. My school, we actually make our reports on this now. So rather than needing to rely on our school network, we use Google Docs, or Google Drive as it's now known. And it's a fantastic resource. So I really do recommend it. Is anybody using Google Apps for Education?
Yeah.
Super. How are you finding it?
At the infancy at the moment, so I've just set it up, and it's not a whole school thing. I'm just using it in the ICT department.
Okay.
Mainly to give kids email addresses that they can email outside of school.
Okay, super. I've set up our system at my school as well, and in February we've rolled it out to the entire school, and the kids are loving it. They're doing their homework on it, they're doing things which I don't even ask them to do. Nice things. Well, some things, well, mainly nice things. So, again, it's wonderful. Use it. That's my biggest recommendation today. Even if you don't use it with the kids, use it professionally. It's fantastic. It's free, it's fantastic. All the things I'm showing you today are free. You can just try it out. I've actually set up logins for you. If you go and use this email address, but if I can ask you to spread yourselves out, so in traditional primary school fashion, you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and can I ask you to be number 1 again? So, rather than having just 1 there, can you change it to your number? Who's forgotten their number?
I wrote it down.
Ah, excellent. Love it. Okay, so if you now go on to this one here, it's called EdCampus. And the way it works is it collates all of your information, all of the resources that you're sharing, whether it be the ones that you've created on your own computer, or the things which you're finding online, in one place. Okay, and I'm going to show you a little of what it can do. Right, food. Let's do that. That's popcorn. Got popcorn today. So, and the password, as I'm sure you've all noticed on there, is also that. So, all the same password, that one there.